Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shauna, and I am back today with another weight loss journey video. If you are new here, please subscribe and join the family. I am currently in the process of getting approved for VSG surgery and going through all the preliminary appointments so that I can get approved, and I am documenting my journey here on YouTube. So if you're interested in watching my videos, then come along. Okay guys, so for everybody who's already been here, you know that I've been going through the beginning stages of my nutrition appointments, which I had one via Zoom with a dietitian, which was like my initial appointment. And so since then I have had 2 actual nutrition appointments. Okay guys, so during those 2 nutrition appointments, it was like I just literally woke up and was like, I can do this. I can do everything that she's telling me to do and lose this weight. And I don't know if you noticed, but since the last time you seen me, I have a little less neck and a little more structure. Let me see if you can see. And my collarbone. Yes, it's because I lost 13 pounds. I haven't made a video in I think 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks on my own, I lost 13 pounds. I just want to come to you and tell you what I did to lose those 13 pounds and let you know where I am. So I went to my first nutrition appointment, and it was like a group nutrition appointment. So I guess it was like a nutrition class, which when they said class, I did not know it was going to be like I'm standing in front of everybody getting weighed and then legit sitting down in a group of people. It was like literally uncomfortable at first, but then after everybody started talking, it was like whatever, we're all going through the same thing, same process. It is what it is, but at first I was like embarrassed. So when I went in, they take your weight on this big animal scale, like the scale that they weigh like an elephant on. And it's like in the hallway. So they took my weight, they write it down, they tell you what class it is. Sorry y'all. So the first class was was all about nutritional facts, like how much protein you should have a day, how much trans fat, regular fat, saturated fats, macronutrients, all that stuff. That was the first class. And that class was like really helpful to me because it made me realize what I was eating wasn't, you know, ideal, even though I felt like it was like healthy because I was cooking it at home. It just was like, no girl. That butter, starches, rices, pastas, noodles, just because you cook it at home does not make it much better. I mean, it's better than eating it out, but it's still bad for you. Okay, so during the first appointment, she told us that we should start exploring protein shakes. She told us that we can do it in the form of powder or ready mixed shakes or ready-made powder, or was another one. I don't even know, ready-made or powder. She told us something else, but I forgot what it was. But so I decided to purchase a few. She told us that when we're trying them, don't just, you know, drink them with your meal. She said basically substitute a meal with the protein shake, or she said we can substitute 2 meals with a protein shake and then have a dinner with like a protein, like a meat and double veggies, no starches, no rice, no pasta, all that stuff. So I started doing some research on all the protein shakes that she had told me about. I didn't want to do the powder because I did powder in the past when I was trying to diet and I did not like the way they taste. So I did a whole bunch of YouTube I watched a bunch of YouTube videos on what protein shakes that people were drinking, and then I googled and all kind of stuff that we do when we research, and I found a few that I actually, thank God, when I bought them I liked them because they're not cheap. Like the flavor ones, I couldn't get them from BJ's because they only sell like chocolate, vanilla, and every once in a while they'll sell a caramel. But the flavor ones I had to actually order from Amazon, which made them higher because they're flavored and you get less in a pack. But I was like, whatever. I just want something that tastes good so that I won't mind replacing my meal with it. So let me show you guys what I got. The first one that I tried, because everybody is like dead set on Premier Proteins, I was like, okay, I'm going to get that. So I purchased these. You see it? Ew. Be quiet, Kingy. These are the Premier Protein Cafe Latte. And y'all, she said that these are okay to do meal replacements, but only one of these a day. This flavor, because it still actually has caffeine in it. So she basically said that after the procedure, you cannot have these, which is so sad because this is my absolute favorite one. This one is delicious, y'all. You put it in the freezer, let it get slushy, shake it up. It is delicious. I'm telling you, it doesn't have a nasty protein taste or anything. It's really good. Let mommy do my video, okay? Okay. So it has 30 grams of protein. Caffeine equals 1 cup of coffee. So yes, it has caffeine in it. So again, after your surgery, you cannot drink these right away. She said about 3 to 6 months is when you can add caffeine back into your diet. So I'm sad. I'm sad because I really love this one, y'all. So it has 160 calories. So this is your meal. You do not eat. You only drink this. 1 gram of sugar, 24 minerals and vitamins, and it is low fat. It has no saturated fat, no trans fat, 20 milligrams of cholesterol, 220 milligrams of sodium, 5 grams of carbohydrates, dietary fiber, 2 grams, sugars, 1 gram, and 30 grams of protein. It has vitamin D, iron, vitamin A, E, O, niacin, calcium, potassium, vitamin C, vitamin K, riboflavin, and vitamin B6 and B12. And yeah, that is it. This one was my favorite. This one I got 12 of these for $16.99 on Amazon. So when I got that one, I was like, my favorite ice cream is cookies and cream, so I'm going to try this one. So I got this one. This is the cookies and cream. This one also has 30 grams of protein. Pretty much the same thing. This one just does not have any caffeine in it, so this one you can drink post-surgery. So that was cool. Yeah, all the same stuff in it. Same dietary fats. Okay, so I got those, and then I was like, I wanted to try a milk-based one, even though I really don't like milk. She was telling me how important it is to still get your calcium through milk. So she recommended we try this Fairlife one. So that's the Fairlife one. This one is 30 grams, high quality protein. This one's basically the same. It's just 150 calories, not 160 calories like the others. And this one is milk based. This one's really good too. This tastes like Nesquik a little bit. All of them. Sorry about that, guys. He just wants to be in every video. All of these though, guys, I put in the freezer and get them slushy or mix them with ice. Then I kept hearing everybody rave about the caramel ones. So I got these. These are in like a little box. Are these the same amount? So these are 0.5 fluid ounces less. These are all 11.5 fluid ounces. This one is just 11 fluid ounces, and this one is 160 calories with 30 grams of protein. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This one is my least favorite one, and I didn't think it was gonna be, but I don't know why, because I really don't like caramel. Like, I do like caramel, but I don't. So I like caramel in like a caramel latte from Dunkin' Donut or Starbucks. But I don't like Werther's candies, and this is more like a Werther's candies taste. So yeah, it's weird. So if you don't like the taste of Werther's, then don't go with this. But what I did was I put it in some ice. I took like a big 7-Eleven big gulp cup. A big 7-Eleven gulp cup. I put this in with some ice and a bunch of ice, and then like a half a cup of water to dilute it. And I also sprinkled a little bit of cinnamon in it, and when I did that, it made it more ingestible. This one I paid $18.99 for a 24 pack. You get a lot of these. This one I actually paid $10.99 for a 12 pack because BJ's had it on sale with a coupon. So these are all the ones that I have. I also had a pack of, I don't know if you guys ever tried these little tuna pouches. I'm not a tuna person. I don't really like it. Every once in a blue moon I might crave it or want some tuna. But I mean like tuna with mayonnaise, onions, and deviled eggs and boiled eggs, like mixed together, that kind of way. Not this way. But I did try the lemon pepper one, and it was okay with some spinach. And then I tried this one, which I like better, the spicy Thai chili one. This is 12 grams of protein, and it has a spoon in here. So when you open up right here, there's a spoon. You click the spoon, and you can eat it right out the pack. But ooh, I can't do that. So I put it on top of some spinach with like some cherry tomatoes and cucumbers, and it's pretty good. This one I might try it with in a wrap, like a lettuce wrap, because it's Asian inspired. So yeah, that is what I have been doing. I have been actually skipping breakfast and lunch and I have been, move over babe.
Charge, Mom.
I knew we need to charge it. My camera's about to die. But yeah, I have been skipping my breakfast and lunch. Not skipping it, I have been replacing it with these. So I drink one for breakfast and then about 4 hours later I'll drink another for lunch. Yep, and this too. And then in between I'll have like an apple or a cup of fruit. Yeah, be quiet babe. But between these I always have like a cup, half a cup to a cup of fruit, or I'll snack on like some cucumbers. But I have been doing it, y'all. I have really been like taking control of my diet and I'm so excited. Not my diet, this is a lifestyle change, it's not a diet. So I'm just so excited. I'm just so excited to see my face change like this. Like, look at my goddamn neck. Last week I was like this. I swear it was this. This week I'm like, oh yeah. So I'm so excited about that and everything to come. I had a nutrition appointment today, but I had to cancel it. Stop, King. Stop. I had to cancel it because my husband had school. So I had to come home with the babies, but it's rescheduled for Friday. So after that appointment, I will come back and let you know how it went. I hope you all doing good. Please try these out. Let me know what you think in the description below. Oh, if anybody has tried any of the strawberry and cream one or the ones with oats in it, let me know how you like it, because I need some opinions before I buy these because they're expensive and I want to keep spending all my money on these and then I don't like it. Like this one. Even though I can mix it and like it, I don't want to buy ones I don't like because it's gross. Oh, last but not least, this is a gallon. This is how much water you have to drink in one day. Okay? So drink your water in between drinking your shakes, and you're gonna lose your weight and you're gonna be approved for your surgery like I am. Okay? Or I might just lose all the weight on my own and not even need surgery. Who knows? So thanks again, guys, for coming and listening to me rant today about my weight loss journey. I will see you in the next video. Kingston's agitating me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I randomly upload these crazy videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.